Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Order your free credit reports from Annual Credit Report. Com for Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Print or save PDF copies and work from a single device for accuracy. Review each report line by line and highlight wrong names, addresses, accounts, balances, and dates. Make a list of every disputed item with account numbers and reported balances. Collect supporting documents like government ID, bank statements, billing records, and police reports if applicable. Keep a dated folder or digital file for all evidence and notes. Dispute each error directly with the credit bureau online or by certified mail with return receipt. Include copies of supporting documentation and a clear statement describing the inaccuracy and requested correction. Keep records of claim numbers, dates, and the postal receipt or confirmation email. Allow the bureau up to 30 days to investigate and notify you of the results in writing. If the furnisher fails to verify an item, request deletion and send follow-up certified mail with tracking information. Place a free fraud alert or a security freeze on your credit files to stop new accounts. Contact each bureau directly and follow their instructions for placing a freeze, get confirmation numbers, and keep them. Consider credit monitoring services and set reminders to check reports every 30 to 90 days. File an identity theft report with the police and the FTC if fraud caused inaccuracies and send copies to bureaus. Maintain a dispute log and keep all communications until the errors are permanently resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.